Hello guys, so WalletConnect token was launched and the WalletConnect project has been building for quite a while now, and they are coming to Solana with an airdrop for eligible Solana users, and this includes those using Phantom, those using Solflare, Backpack and DripDAO. So it also included those that will be using Solana Mobile and also Rainbow wallets for this airdrop. And recently they started releasing criteria for to be eligible for this airdrop. So I'll be showing you the various criteria and how to lock in so that you don't miss out on this WalletConnect airdrop. So tomorrow is the snapshots for Backpack and Jupiter users. The snapshots for Solflare, Phantom, Rainbow and Solana Mobile is yet to be done, and the eligibility criteria is yet to be released. If you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so I'm getting updates from me whenever I post them. So let's dive in as I show you the eligibility criteria. So before the criteria, you can see here new drop alert Solana Mobile. So if you pre-ordered for the Solana Mobile, you're eligible for the airdrop. And over here you can see for Rainbow wallet users. So if you are part of the top Rainbow wallet users, you're also eligible for the WalletConnect airdrop. For this time, there's going to be 50,000 WalletConnect token that will be distributed to Rainbow users. So this is for Phantom. You can see WalletConnect can't launch on Solana without including Phantom users. Eligibility details for the claim are coming soon. So, and over here they've released the eligibility criteria for Backpack users and for Jupiter users. So we'll be going straight to their sites so we can see the eligibility criteria for Backpack users and Jupiter users. So the link to this will be in my description, because if you want to know more about the WalletConnect token airdrop for Solana users. So you can see, if you open this link, you can get to see more of what this token airdrop is all about. You can see this claim campaign is the result of close collaboration with 5 of the most respected communities in the Solana ecosystem. So because of that, they will be giving back tokens to those that use Backpack, Phantom, Solflare, Jupiter and Solana Mobile. So each partner define the eligibility criteria that they believe best recognizes meaningful participation within their community. We are deeply thankful for their collaboration. So below you find the eligibility rules. So for Backpack, the eligibility for Backpack, the snapshots will be taken tomorrow, that's June 18, 2025. And these are those that are eligible rank holders, those that users that have Challenger, Diamond or Platinum ranks, and then also bonus round traders. 500 randomly selected persons who do not hold these ranks will also be included in the airdrop, and then eligible users must link their Backpack wallets extension mobile to their Backpack exchange account by June 18. So if you're using Backpack and you want to be eligible for this airdrop, you still have between now and tomorrow to do this. Then for Jupiter's already took their snapshots early this month, around June 2nd, 2025. These are those who are eligible: cohort members of the Cut-Off Culture and Cadet groups, and then governance participants. Wallet addresses are voted in every single Jupiter proposal, and there have been 24 proposals all along, so you have to vote in 24 for it to be eligible for the WalletConnect airdrop if you're using Jupiter. So the criteria for Phantom, Solflare, Solana Mobile and the snapshot date is yet to be released, but I will update us whenever this is released. So for Backpack, you can still participate in the Backpack, and the sweet part is that if you use all 5, if you have Solana Mobile, you use Solflare, Phantom, Jupiter and Backpack, you can also perform all of this, so you can be eligible for all of them. You can still receive tokens in all wallets including Solana Mobile. That's it for this update. So if the eligibility criteria for this comes out, I'm going to be letting us know on my Telegram channel and on YouTube. So endeavor to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so I'm getting updates whenever I post them. Then you can also join my Telegram channel so you can be getting early information soon. Thank you for watching and see you next time.